Essay on United we stand, divided we fall. The phrase coined by the ancient Greek storyteller Aesop states the importance of working together as a team. United we stand, divided we fall implies that if we work on something as a team and live in harmony with each other, we shall succeed in life, and if we go against each other and try to work on a task alone, we are likely to fail at it. Explanation by examples. United we stand, divided we fall. The phrase is used commonly at several places. However, it has best been explained through the story of a farmer and his sons. The sons could not break a bundle of sticks. When they were asked to do it individually, however, when they were asked to perform the same task jointly, they could do it easily. This clearly explains that when people come together, they can perform even a difficult task with ease. Use of the phrase at different places. In the U.S. history, the phrase was first used by John Dickinson in his pre-Revolutionary War song, The Liberty Song. It was published in the Boston Gazette in July 1768. In December 1792, the First Kentucky General Assembly adopted the official seal of Commonwealth with the state motto, A circumflex euro united we stand, divided we fall. Since 1942, the phrase has become the official non-Latin state motto of Kentucky. The phrase is written around the center circle on the Missouri flag. It became popular in India during its struggle for freedom from the British rule. It was used to inspire people to come together and fight for independence. Ulster Loyalists have also used this phrase. It is seen in some Loyalist Northern Irish murals. The phrase, United we stand, divided we fall, has also been used in several songs by different artists. Conclusion. It is rightly said that, A circumflex euro united we stand, divided we fall. In life, we come across several situations at home, in school, office and other places wherein this phrase holds true. We must thus work and live in harmony with others.